Akiaria hindi ya gwikira kirore ngirimiti ya kwanjio gwa kiganda gia bataraitha kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Gavana wa Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu niugite ati thirikari yake ni kuheana mugunda wa eka 15 wa kwanjio kiganda giki.
Twina mugunda munene muno mwena wa Ndeia eka 1,500 uria turetera investors yothe, na aya ni amwe tukuhe mugunda kuu marenda kuma eka 15 na nitukumahe mugunda tocio nigetha marutage wira kuu na mandike andu aitu, na koguo hari ithue ni gikeno kinene muno ta utongoria wa kaunti.
Mwena-ini wake barothi wa bururi wa Slovakia ni agathiriirie rĩera rĩa Kiambu na kuga ni mekuheana mbegu milioni 1 cia macadamia kuri arimi kaunti-ini ino.
This project, if you'd like to ask about the money, it's about 2.5 billion shillings. And of course, you know, if we are successful, and I'm pretty sure that we will be successful, the other investments is coming, and we would like to aim more or less on the product of the processing of the agricultural products.
We are starting this project as soon as possible. We hope that we will see the factory in maximum 1.5 years, and I'm sure that it will bring a lot of employment opportunities, not only in utilization but also the collection of raw material.
Gwakwo gwa kiganda giki ni umithio munene hari arimi kaunti-ini ino, niamu ni marihotaga gukuria irio ciao na thogora wa thi, nao aria maragaga gwa gute giko kiao mateithike. Ngiripotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.
The investors, the Deputy Governor,